Audi A6 2018. Most of them have this problem. As you can see, corrosion. He bought the new one. To me, it looks small. I don't think this is the one what he bring. If it's same, then mean you are lucky. Then mean you are right. What do you think?
Small.
Before I told the customer, yes, I said small. He said no, it's perfect. So now he's saying yes after I took it off. So what I should do with him? I charge him double. Audi A6, it's 2018. I need to replace this one. I tried that day, customer bring wrong one from Audi. And then today he put the right part. I just put it temporary to help him, and now I'm going to put new one. All done. Easy peasy.